Welcome to the Moore Family Farm. Bought this farm about a year ago. So far, we done built a chicken coop. Got some chickens. They're out running around. Got a few little ones down there. Clearing a lot of brush off. 27 acres. Getting ready to get the pines cleared off back there for some more pasture. Just put this goat fence up for the goats. Added some more field for them. Came with the barn. Little barn. Got a cow. Got a pony for the grandkids. They named her Marshmallow. What you doing, Marshmallow? What you doing, Marshmallow? And we got some pigs. With bacon and pork chop. A little bacon and pork chop. Bought this, everything's electric fence. I bought this wire fence on Amazon. It's like 150 foot, they stay in there. Goats. So the shed came with the barn. Realtor says, put a match to it. I said, nah, get all that wood out of there. Guy used to live here, was a wood hoarder, I guess. It's full of wood. Got 6 female goats and 1 male. Hoping to get a good flock here going. Got a cow, my sister gave me. Likes hanging down in the woods when the sun's out. What are you doing? What you doing? Hmm? Flies. Look at all the flies. I don't think the shade's helping. Why don't you come on out? They ain't around all the time. Goats follow you around. Always think they're gonna get some food. Got plenty of grass to eat. There's my pond down there. It's covered with lilies. Looks like algae, but it's little lilies. I sprayed last year. Seemed to kill them all off. But they all came back this year. I'll spray them again. Been waiting for, we've had so much rain. Been waiting for it to dry up enough. Good for clearing out. They clear out as high as they can reach. All the brush. Do a real good job. That's our baby goat. We got a kid, and the kid came pregnant and had a little baby. So we got one free. Hopefully soon we'll have a whole bunch free. Got my garden. Got some corn, green beans, lots of tomato plants. Got sweet potatoes, cucumbers, some watermelon. The rest is my weed garden. Like in that weed garden, I got zucchini and got some beets and some more tomato plants. I'm getting there. Got my brush piles. Been trying to clear all these woods out. Got the play set. Got to have something for the grandkids when they come over. And then my tractor. Just bought that. Came with some attachments. Gotta have a tractor on a farm. Chicken coop. My dog. So this is my first video of the Moore family farm. Hope you enjoyed it.